How to edit navigation bar in Squarespace. So here from the dashboard, I've just clicked on website, which has loaded up my Squarespace website. If we want to edit the navigation, we will click on edit here in the top left corner of our website, and then simply click on your header here to edit site header. Once we have clicked on it, you will be able to see your navigation right about here, and we can left click on it and a pencil icon will appear that says edit navigation. Now if we select it, it will open up the content here, and we can rearrange how these appear, in what order they appear, and we can also click on show pages, and we can click on save here to save the changes. Now it's gonna appear like so, and we can also add a new page to the main navigation page. So for example, if we want to add a store, then it's going to add a store here. And basically you can do this for any page which we want by clicking on add page here, and for example scheduling as well. We have to choose scheduling here, and we can add this page, or we can add a blank page. So that's how you do it. I hope this was helpful. I hope this helped you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.